Hello, I'm Chris Vernon, Chief Research Consultant at CSIRO and a keynote speaker at AusIMM's Critical Minerals Conference 2025. I'm not sure where my career really started, but I paid my way through university doing vacation shift work at an alumina refinery, which was hard hat, overalls, steel caps, pretty messy job, but it was a really valuable crash course in mineral processing. My first significant job was as an experimental scientist at CSIRO, again working on mineral processing problems. But then I went back to alumina refining R&D for a few years before coming back to CSIRO as a research scientist, and I've stayed ever since. Today, my role is focused on accelerating the critical minerals industries in Australia, building process technology and supply chains through R&D. To do this, I span across CSIRO's research units and collaborate across the university sector and government, and I chair the National Critical Minerals R&D Hub's Operations Group. The big change we've seen is an urgency brought on by geopolitics. We simply have to move faster. I think we're also taking more seriously the idea that we need to process onshore, but we need to do this in a cost-effective way. That's the challenge, and it's the thing that's really worthy of R&D. In the coming years, we'll see a shift towards processing shortcuts. Critical minerals have been processed the same way for decades. Legacy processes are usually energy intensive, environmentally questionable, and sometimes based on something pretty close to superstition. We need to change those processes, and we can. I'll be discussing how we focus our R&D for maximum impact. There are limited R&D resources and very many critical minerals, ore types and opportunities. We simply can't do everything. If we're scattering the burley on the water, we're feeding the ecosystem, which is good, but we're not going to catch those big fish. So as a nation, as an industry, we must identify the things that we can be good at. You should come and see my keynote if you're involved in the funding of R&D or managing an R&D program or involved in innovation policy. Conferences like Critical Minerals 2025 are important because they attract top-level talent and deal makers from Australia and overseas. There's nowhere better to meet people who are making a difference to this industry. I invite you to join me at the Critical Minerals Conference 2025 at the Perth Convention and Exhibition Centre from the 2nd to the 4th of September 2025. You can register to attend at ausimm.com. I look forward to seeing you there.